Hello, scholars, and welcome to today's lesson. As always, please start class by making sure you are meeting the expectations for class, mask up, looking fly, and having the appropriate materials. One addition to today's materials, you may find it useful to have a pair of headphones or earbuds available so that you can listen to this delivery. Today's agenda is as follows. We're going to start with some framing and then move on to Unit 2, Lesson 22, Heating Curves. So I will be out for the remainder of this week. Your task for today, February 3rd, is to complete the following lesson on heating curves. There is an exit ticket, so please use this time wisely and proceed through the following slides to get started. You may find it helpful to use the video attached to the Google Classroom post to go through these slides, and you may work as collaboratively or independently as you like. So we have been learning about groups of molecules and how they interact with each other through IMFs. In many situations around us, substances are changing from one temperature to another and from one phase to another because of the addition or subtraction of heat energy. For example, the ice in your freezer is water in a solid state. And when you place it in your drink to cool your drink, it slowly transitions to a liquid as it absorbs heat from the surrounding air. Phase changes are incredibly important. They drive important cycles of matter, such as the water cycle, and it is our understanding of phase changes that allows us to survive in climates ranging from the Arctic to the equator. So our goal for today's lesson is that students will be able to construct heating curves for a variety of substances with 50% accuracy. Start off by recording the following in your notes. You should pause the video here to proceed through the next 2 slides. Okay, scholars, welcome back. I'm just going to click through these 2 slides, see if there's anything I want to add. These are 6 terms you should be familiar with. Now that you've copied down your initial notes, you're going to go to the Jamboard on Google Classroom. You're going to take 2 minutes, to answer the before the simulation question, and 10 minutes to open the simulation link attached to this Google Classroom post, make a free account, and complete the simulation to answer the questions below. So you should pause the video here and go do that. Okay, scholars, now that you've completed the simulation, record the following key points on the next 3 slides in your notes. You should pause the video here to do that. Okay, scholars, welcome back. I'm just going to click through these slides to see if there's anything I want to add or emphasize. Really want to emphasize that the plateaus or the flat lines on the curve mark the phase changes, and the temperature remains constant during phase transitions because the energy is being used to break or form IMFs. A cooling curve is basically a heating curve in reverse. Instead of adding energy, you're removing it. In AP chemistry, you'll mostly work with heating curves. Just want to point out that the boiling point and condensation point and the melting point and freezing point occur at the same temperatures, which should make sense. Okay, scholars, now is your time to practice. So go back to the Jamboard and complete as much practice as you can between now and 8:35. Answer keys for each question can be found at the end of the Jamboard after the exit ticket. So here are your practice problems. There's 5 in total, and then there's your exit ticket, and then your answer keys start. Don't look at them right now. So you should pause the video and go do that practice, and then come back to the video once you've finished. Okay, scholars, welcome back. Go back to the Jamboard, and now in the last 10 minutes of class, complete the exit ticket, which is 2 slides. 1, 2. Pause the video while you do that, and then come back to wrap up. Okay, scholars, welcome back. That brings us to the end of today's class. It's time to clean up. Please wipe down the desks and headphones, specifically the headphones, before you return them. Please complete the exit ticket by 11:59 p.m. tonight, February 3rd. And I will see you all on Monday. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend. Be well. Bye, scholars.